Hello, legends. Welcome back to the Get Ripped in English channel. I'm Chris.
And I'm Dua. Hello, loves. It is absolutely wonderful to see you all today.
I am pumped to be here. I'm feeling stronger than ever. How are you, Dua?
I'm feeling electric, Chris. You look intense. Did you have a good morning?
I did. I had a massive breakfast. I ate 6 chickens, a protein shake the size of a tank, and a very large coffee. Now I have the energy of a lightning storm. How about you?
Well, I didn't eat 6 chickens, but I'm doing very well, thank you. The spotlight is hitting just right today, and that always makes me smile. It makes the whole studio look beautiful.
It really does. It is a perfect day to smash some English goals.
Exactly. And I am very excited because today we have a special topic. My fans on tour always ask me about this during meet and greets.
Oh, I think I know what it is. Is it about how to talk better while fighting aliens?
Close. It's about the best way to sound more fluent in English.
Wow, that is a heavy topic. Heavier than my hammer. Fluency is huge. Everyone wants to sound natural, like a local.
They do, and it is not as hard as people think. You do not need to memorize every lyric in the world to sound fluent.
That is good news, because there are too many words. I'd rather do burpees.
Before we share our secrets, we have a favor to ask. If you want to help us, please smash that like button right now. Gently, Chris. Don't break the screen.
I'll try my best. Please subscribe so you never miss a new episode. We want to help you get those language gains every week.
Okay, Chris, are you ready to talk about fluency?
I was born ready. Let's do this. So, Dua, what does fluent actually mean? Does it mean speaking as fast as a superhero flying through space?
That is a great question. Many people think fluency is speed. They think, if I rap like I'm in a hip-hop track, I sound native. But that is not true.
So fast isn't always better? Like when I try to run on ice. Disaster.
Exactly. Sometimes speaking too fast makes it hard to understand the lyrics. Fluency is about flow. It's about how the words connect together. It's about sounding natural and relaxed, like you're on a vacation in Ibiza.
Ah, I see. Like a river? Or maybe like lightning?
Let's stick with the river.
A river flows smoothly. It doesn't have to be a raging waterfall. It just has to be smooth.
I love that example. A smooth river. Okay, so our first tip to sound fluent is super simple. It's about contractions.
Contractions? Sounds painful.
No, not muscle contractions. It is when we put 2 words together to make them shorter. For example, instead of saying I am, we say I'm.
Oh, I do that in my songs all the time. Instead of it is, I say it's.
Exactly. This is the biggest secret. In scripts, they write, I am Thor, son of Odin. But in real life, I say, I'm Thor. I'm hungry.
Nods. It sounds much more natural, less like a robot, more like a human. If I say, I am going to the disco because it is Saturday, it sounds formal. But I'm going to the disco because it's Saturday, that's a vibe.
I'm, your, he's, these are crucial. And the negative ones. Do not becomes don't. Cannot becomes can't. I use don't a lot. Don't touch my cape.
Perfect. When you use don't instead of do not, your English flows better. It connects the beat faster.
That is an easy tip. Even I can do that. Now, Dua, do you have a tip for our friends?
I do. To sound fluent, I think we need connecting words.
Connecting words? Is that like connecting a fist to a bad guy's face?
A little less violent. Beginners speak in short sentences. I like glitter. I like dancing. I like mic drops.
That sounds like a bad action scene edit.
It is. A fluent speaker connects them using words like and, but, and so. For example, I like glitter, dancing, and mic drops.
Or, I wanted to lift the car, but my back hurt.
Exactly. But is powerful. It connects two ideas. It makes the conversation feel like one long song, not just random noises.
Because is another legend. I am tired because I saved the world today.
Using because helps explain your feelings. It builds a bridge between your thoughts.
A bridge, like the Bifrost. I love your examples, Dua. First a river, now a magical rainbow bridge. You are very poetic.
Thank you, Chris. I'm a songwriter after all. So we have contractions and connecting words. What else?
I have a fun one. Filler words.
You mean like, well, and actually?
Yes, and or let me see.
Wait, are those okay? My vocal coach used to say, Dua, darling, don't say
In a formal speech to the king of Asgard, maybe not. But in a real chat with friends, filler words are natural. They give you time to think before you speak.
That is true. If an interviewer asks me, Dua, what is your favorite galaxy? And I stay silent for 5 seconds, it's awkward. The paparazzi would think I froze.
Right. But if you say, well, let me see. I think my favorite galaxy is the Milky Way. It sounds fluent.
Well, let me see. It shows I'm thinking in English. It fills the empty space while my brain looks for the lyrics.
Actually is a good one too. Actually, I don't like heavy metal. I prefer pop. Wink.
I love actually. It sounds very smart. And you know is used a lot. You know, this outfit is fabulous, you know?
Yes, you know invites the other person to agree. It makes the conversation friendly. Real English is messy. It has ums and wells.
Real English is not perfect, and that is okay. That is a very important point, Chris. Many fans are afraid to speak because they want to be perfect.
But even gods aren't perfect. I make mistakes too. Sometimes I trip over my own cape.
We really do. Sometimes I forget a lyric or use the wrong grammar, but I just keep dancing.
That is the secret. Keep the conversation going. If you make a mistake, don't stop. Don't go back and fix every tiny thing. Just move forward.
Like the river. The river doesn't stop for a rock, it flows around it.
Exactly. If you say, he go to the gym instead of he goes, don't worry. I still understand you want to work out.
Confidence is key. If you look confident, you sound fluent. If you speak with a smile and look at the person, they don't notice the grammar. They just enjoy the vibe.
So, stand tall, flex those muscles, or you smile, use contractions, and keep going. Now, I have another tip about listening. You have to listen to the rhythm.
Rhythm? Now you are speaking my language. Like a song?
Precisely. English has a beat. Some words are heavy and loud. Some are quiet. I want to go to the store.
Ah, I hear it. Store is the superstar word. We don't sing every word with the same volume.
I am happy to see you.
The rhythm makes it musical. If you copy that, you don't sound like a computer. Computers speak like this. I am happy to see you.
That sounds boring. Try to copy the emotion. If you hear a cool line in a movie, maybe one of mine, shout it out loud.
I do that with songs. I hear a melody and I sing to words. It helps me learn how words stick together. This is called linking.
Linking, like pick it up. We don't say pick it up. We say pick it up, like lifting a heavy weight, one smooth motion.
Or check it out. It becomes check it out. Wow, that sounds very cool.
It does. We covered a lot. Contractions, connectors, fillers, mistakes, rhythm, linking.
It is a lot, but just practice one thing at a time. Maybe this week just focus on I'm and don't.
Don't try to lift the heaviest weight on day one. Start small. Dua, did you find it hard to be natural when you started?
Oh yes, when I started my career, I was nervous in interviews. I spoke slowly, but then I listened to my dancers. They said, "How's it going?" and "Catch you later."
Catch you later. I love that. It means goodbye.
Yes, when I used those phrases, I felt like part of the team. I sounded like a friend, not just a pop star.
You know, Dua, we should practice this. Let's role play. Let's pretend we are meeting at the gym.
Okay, let's do it. I'll start. Hey, Chris, how's it going?
Well, actually, I'm a bit sore today, but I'm happy to see you. How about you, Dua?
I'm doing great. I just had a green juice, so I have a lot of energy. Do you want to get a protein bar or something?
Ooh, a protein bar sounds good, but I shouldn't. Actually, you know what? Let's do it. I love chocolate.
Perfect. Let's check it out.
That was legendary, Dua. Did you hear our tips? We used how's it going, I'm, actually, but, and check it out.
It felt so much more natural than saying, how is it going, Chris? I am sore. It felt like a real chat.
I hope our listeners try this at home. Talk to yourself in the mirror while flexing.
Or talk to your dog. There are great listeners and never judge your grammar.
My dog loves it when I practice my movie lines. He just wags his tail.
Wow, Chris, we covered a lot of ground. I feel like I learned something too.
It's always good to remember to relax. If you're relaxed, the power comes out easier.
Well, Chris, I think we are almost at the end. Time flies when we are having fun.
It really does. Before we go, let's recap. Use contractions like I'm and don't to sound smooth.
Use connecting words like and, but, and because to build bridges between ideas.
Use filler words like well and actually to give your brain a rest.
And link words together like check it out and follow the rhythm.
And most importantly, don't try to be perfect. Mistakes are okay. They show you're trying.
Well said, Chris. We hope these tips help you sound confident and fluent.
We believe in you, legends. Now it's your turn. Leave a comment below.
Tell us which tip was your favorite, or tell us a contraction you use. We love reading your comments.
And if you haven't, subscribe to the channel and share this with a friend. Thank you for listening.
It was a pleasure, Chris.
The pleasure was mine, Dua. I'm gonna find that chocolate protein bar now.
Save one for me. Bye, everyone.
Catch you later, legends.